The newly launched Realme Buds N1 are shaking up the market with their budget-friendly price and impressive features. I believe these earbuds offer an incredible mix of quality and value that could redefine your listening experience. But do they truly live up to the hype? Let's explore whether the Realme Buds N1 are worth your attention. Let's talk about the design. The Realme Buds N1 sport an ergonomic design that's not just for looks, it's functional too. I believe these earbuds were made with comfort in mind. Each earbud weighs just 4.2 grams, making them light enough to wear for hours without even noticing. Whether you're hitting the gym or just chilling at home, the Buds N1 fit snugly and comfortably in your ears, adapting to various ear shapes. Now let's get into what really matters: sound quality. I believe the audio performance of the Realme Buds N1 is where they truly shine. These earbuds come equipped with a 12.4mm dynamic bass driver, a titanium diaphragm, and N52 magnets. What does all that mean? Simply put, you're in for an audio experience that's rich, deep, and immersive. Whether you're into bass-heavy tracks or podcasts, the Buds N1 deliver clear highs, punchy mids, and deep lows. And thanks to the 360-degree spatial audio effect, your music surrounds you, making it feel like you're right in the middle of the action. This is not just sound, it's an experience. Trust me, once you hear the difference, it's hard to go back to regular earbuds. Let's talk noise cancellation. With hybrid noise cancellation reducing up to 46 decibels, I believe the Realme Buds N1 are perfect for those noisy environments. Whether you're in a bustling cafe or on a crowded subway, these earbuds drown out all the chaos and let you focus on what matters: your music, your calls, your peace. Speaking of calls, the Realme Buds N1 are equipped with a 6-microphone system that ensures your voice comes through crystal clear. Plus, the AI-driven noise reduction algorithm further enhances call quality by minimizing background noises. So, whether you're taking a work call or catching up with friends, you'll be heard loud and clear. Battery life can be a deal breaker, but not with the Realme Buds N1. I believe these earbuds offer some of the best battery performance you'll find at this price point. With the charging case, you'll get up to 40 hours of total playback time. That's nearly 2 full days of continuous listening. Even with active noise cancellation turned on, you'll get a solid 6 hours of playback on a single charge and 26 hours with the case. Turn off ANC and you're looking at 9 hours per charge and 40 hours in total. And for those moments when you're in a rush, a quick 10-minute charge gives you 5 hours of playback. That's more than enough to power through your daily commute or workout session. The Realme Buds N1 come with Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring a stable and seamless connection. Pairing them with your device is a breeze, and once they're connected, they stay connected. I believe one of the standout features is the smart dual-device connectivity. This means you can switch between 2 devices effortlessly. No more fumbling with settings when you want to switch from your phone to your laptop. For the gamers out there, you'll appreciate the 45 m's ultra-low latency mode. This feature ensures that the audio syncs perfectly with your gameplay, giving you that competitive edge. And let's not forget the touch controls. They're intuitive and responsive, allowing you to manage your music, calls, and even summon your voice assistant with just a tap. Now, let's talk about durability. I believe the Realme Buds N1 are built to last. With an IP55 rating for water and dust resistance, these earbuds can handle a bit of rain, sweat, and dust without breaking a sweat. Whether you're out for a long jog in the rain or pushing through an intense workout, the Buds N1 have got you covered. Alright, let's get down to the price, which is one of the most surprising parts. The Realme Buds N1 are priced at just $24.99. But here's the kicker. There's an introductory offer where you can snag these for just $19.99. That's a $5 instant discount, making these earbuds an absolute steal. They're available in that bold, energizing green color, and you can grab them from Realme's official website or Amazon starting September 13th. I know what you're thinking. Are there any alternatives at this price point? Well, let's compare. The Realme Buds T300, for example, also priced at $19.99, offers up to 30 dB of ANC and 50 m's ultra-low latency. It's a solid choice, but the Buds N1 takes it up a notch with 46 dB ANC and faster response times. Then there's the OnePlus Nord Buds 2R, which comes with 38 hours of battery life and 12.4mm dynamic drivers. It's a decent option, but the Realme Buds N1, with their 40-hour battery life and enhanced features, seem to have the upper hand. And if you're looking for something even cheaper, the Noise Buds N1 Pro is available for $17.99, offering 32 dB ANC and quad mic with ENC and up to 60 hours of battery life. While it's tempting, The overall feature set of the Realme Buds N1 make it hard to beat at this price point. So, what's the final verdict? I believe the Realme Buds N1 are a fantastic choice if you're looking for high-quality earbuds without breaking the bank. With their impressive sound quality, powerful noise cancellation, and robust battery life, they offer incredible value for your money. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.